Hello everyone, today let's solve the problem number 577, employee bonus. So what the question states here, we are given two tables here, employee and bonus. You can clearly see here we have two tables, one is employee and another one is bonus here, right? So we are given two tables, one is employee and bonus. We need to write an SQL query to return the name and bonus of the employees whose bonus is less than 1000. So we need to write the SQL query to return the name and bonus of the employees, name as well as the bonus of the employee whose bonus is less than 1000. They have clearly mentioned whose bonus is less than 1000 or not present in the bonus table, nothing but null. So the name of the employees whose name is whose bonus is not present in the bonus table means null, and also whose bonus is less than 1000. These names we have to return. So the output should be in any order they have given. The output can be of any order, can be in any order. So here you can clearly see. Let's come to the example one here. So we have employee table here with the employee IDs, right? 3124, name Brad, John, Dan, Thomas. They have given here. Supervisor, salary they have mentioned. So bonus table here they have given 2 and 4. So here Dan and this one Thomas they have mentioned here, right? Dan and Thomas. Here in this case, we will go with. So in this case, what we have to return here, we have to return Dan. See here, Dan whose bonus is less than 1000 here, right? So we have Dan bonus whose bonus is 500 here. So we have to display Dan. This is fine. So we have to go with the employees. They have clearly mentioned while saying while explaining the question I have said, we have to return the name and bonus of the employees whose bonus is less than 1000 or not present in the bonus table as well. Here in this case, whose name is not present, 2 and 4. Dan and Thomas is present. Thomas, we are not going with Thomas because it is greater than 1000 here. Bonus is greater than 1000. So we are not going with Thomas. So we are just going with Dan in this case, whose bonus is 500. So we have come with 500 here. Dan 500, this is fine. And whose name is not present in the bonus table here? Brad and John. Brad and John's this one name is not present in the table at all, bonus table at all. Means we have to, in that case, we have to return null, right? So see here, Brad we got null and John we have to show null. Sorry, for Brad we have to show null and for John also we have to show null, and Dan we have already got 500. So output is this one. I hope the question is completely clear and what we need to do is completely clear as well. Simple to understand, right? Question. So let's discuss the approach first and then write the SQL. So here first step we will be making use of the left join. So we will be making use of the left join. So why we will be making use of the left join here? Since not all employees have a bonus. So we know this one. All the employees does not have bonus, right? Brad and John doesn't have bonus in the table. We saw that one. A left join ensures we will retain all the employees and match their bonus if available. So a left join, what this one ensures, we retain all the employees and match their bonus if available. This is the reason we'll be making use of the left join in this case, right? So let's go with the second step here. The first step, I hope this is clear. This is simple to understand, right? So this is fine. So this is the reason we'll be going with the left join. Just remember this one. So second step, after making use of the left join, so we will filter the required rows. So we need employees with bonus less than 1000, right? So we need this one. This one we have to keep in mind, bonus less than 1000 or employees without a bonus, nothing but we have to return null in this case for the bonus, right? The employees whose name is not present in the bonus table, we need to return null, right? So these two things we have to keep in mind. We will filter the required rows, means we need employees with bonus less than 1000 and employees without a bonus, nothing but null in this case. So I hope this is clear. So the next step or the third step here is we will select the required columns. When I say we will select the required columns, we will extract the employee name here, employee name. We will extract the employee name from the employee. So we will extract the employee name from the employee and bonus from the bonus, right? So we have to extract the employee name. We have to return the name of the employee as well as the bonus itself at the end. So we have seen the output as well in the example. that they have mentioned in the question, right? So we have clearly seen that one. So that's what we will extract. The final step here is we will extract the employee name from the employee and bonus from the bonus, right? So I hope this is clear. So these are the 3 steps. So first step was we will use a left join. We'll be making use of a left join, and the second step is we'll filter the required rows. The third step is we will select the required columns, right? So I hope this is clear. Let's try to implement, or let's try to articulate the same thing, the thought process, in the form of query, right? So let's start writing the query now. So now let's start writing the query. So first thing is we will select the employee name and their bonus, right, from the employee table. So I'll just give here. So we have discussed this one in the query, right? So employee name and bonus, I'll just go with e dot name, comma b dot bonus from where employee table, right? So I'll just give here on this case from employee. This is fine. The next step here is we will be making use of the left join to retain all the employees and get their bonus if available. So I'll just go with here left join bonus B. This one fine. This one is fine. Sorry. So after using the left join to retain all the employees and get their bonus, so we discussed this one during the approach one, if you remember. We'll be making use of the left join to retain all the employees and get their bonus if available, right? So the next step here is we will join the tables on employee ID. So here primary foreign key relation, based on the primary and foreign key relation, we'll be joining the tables on employee ID. So I'll just make use of on keyword here, e dot employee ID equals, I'll just make use of one more, this one, b here, b dot employee ID. This is fine. So the final step, if you remember, we have to filter the employees with bonus less than 1000 or no bonus, the second step in the approach, right? So that one we have to articulate that one in the form of query. So here I'll give where b dot bonus, this one, less than 1000 or this one, b dot bonus here is null. This is fine. So this is it. So let me hit the run button. Let's wait for some time. I hope this works. So you can clearly see here the sample test case is getting passed. So let me hit the submit button. Let's see. I hope this works for all the test cases. Let's see. So here you can clearly see all the test cases are getting passed. Means the query works absolutely correct on this case, right? So here, I mean, the query works absolutely correct on this case, right? So I hope whatever the query that we have written is completely clear, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.